So join me today as I try to do all the things. Blah. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Today is an insane day for me. And I thought I would take you with me as I have this insane day. All right, I've already started homeschool with Shaylee, and now it's time to bring Boston to his 80 minutes of tutoring. So I'm gonna drop him off there. I wanna run one errand, and then back to Shaylee with more homeschool. So join me today as I try to do all the things. Brr, it's cold in here. All right, I am back, and I stopped at a local grocery store to see if they had any Coke Zero caffeine free. It's hard to find. My in-laws are looking for it too, and they didn't have any. It's a hit and miss thing. All right, so I did pick up some groceries. I picked up some cilantro for tonight. I'm gonna make taco soup. It's super easy, dump and go. Recipes down below. I need something fast. Slow cooker I didn't want to do today because I didn't want to prepare sides or anything. I want to do taco soup because it's such a crazy day today. Very easy to put together, very filling and yummy. So that is for dinner. All right, time to go back in. I left Shaylee with some work to do on her own and finish school. When it's time to go pick up Boston from tutoring, I'll have Paige with me, and Boston will come with me, and we'll go to the salon to drop her off, and then we're gonna do some returns at Costco. I had like a full list of returns starting from Provo, working my way home, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to just do what I need to return to Costco and then back. So I'll save them for another day. I'm just not feeling it today. I already can feel my anxiety brewing, and the thought of going all the way down to Provo and back is making my heart pound, and so I'm just not going to do it today. So we'll do Costco. I have some clothes to return. Anywho. All right, I picked up some bread, some chips, cilantro, bananas, some pasta that was on sale. Derek likes the Jack Link's Zero Sugar Beef Jerky. Some orange juice, I'm craving it. Some more canned clams that were on sale. We've gone through a lot of clams the last month and a half, having clam chowder. And some Eucerin eczema relief. I have eczema on the palm of my hand, and Shaylee has it on her arm. We really need some relief, so I grabbed this. So now, I'm going to read you the sentence, and then you have to write it in and circle your spelling word. Okay, you ready for your first sentence? Were they always playing that great game? We're going to finish that today together. I told you, I have a crazy day today.
Hello.
So, lots to do today. So you can see why my anxiety is already like climbing. I do have a lot on my plate, but I'm gonna have people help me in the family because I'm not a machine and I can't do it. Make sure you put your punctuation, and it's a question. Were they always playing that great game? And then circle your spelling words. At what time did Catherine and her grandfather finish feeding the livestock? We started the livestock at 6:02, and it took us 35 minutes to feed the cows. All right, it is time to go get Boston. And then I got Paige here with me, and we are gonna go take her to her salon appointment for a haircut, a bath and a haircut. She needs it so bad. Oh, so Boston will come with me. I got all the returns for Costco in the back. Shaylee is working on math. I left her some math worksheets to do. And then when she finished those, she can have a break and do whatever she wants to do. But she said she wants to finish reading her Treasure Island book and watch TV at the same time. I'm like, oh man, focus on one. But she's almost done with her Treasure Island book, and she's so thrilled because that means she gets to watch the movie Treasure Island, and she is dying to watch it. Today for her elective, she chose art, and we have some paint, some canvases, and she wants to paint today. It's gorgeous today, you guys. I want to share with you guys this cardigan that I found at Costco, and it's olive green. I just love this color. It is the softest thing ever. It feels so good. So I got the olive green, and then when I went back today to return some stuff, I got the black one, and I bought a black one and an olive green for my mother-in-law. It is so comfy. So if you see this at Costco, it is worth it, and it's got pockets. So I'm wearing that today, and I am cozy comfy. Okay, so we only grabbed a couple of things at Costco that were completely out of. You know, if you guys watch the video, I'll link it above and below, the not big grocery hauls the next couple of months. Yeah, I've been to Costco. I did spend quite a bit of money yesterday on clothes. I got the kids some hoodies and me some clothes, which is the cardigan. But we were out of plastic forks and paper towels, so I grabbed some at Costco. Milk, strawberries and blueberries, celery, and a bag of frozen broccoli. So I haven't done my big, huge shopping, which is so hard because I do see what we're running low on. I'm gonna do this until February, but it's driving me crazy not doing my normal routine when it comes to our long-term food storage, our 3 to 6 month supply of food storage. I don't like it because what if something was gonna happen? I don't know, I just don't like it. So, but we are eating from our food storage in our freezers and getting what we need, and it's been going really well. I've been tracking it. So whenever we get anything out of our food storage room, we've been writing it down. If there's something that we've already got, we tally it. There's another page to this. I think it's going well. We may have forgotten a few times to mark it, but it's just giving us a general idea of what we've been pulling out the last couple of months. And it's been kind of tough to gauge with the holidays, but I'm gonna do this until February and then keep track. I'm just gonna keep going too. I'm just gonna keep going with that method, but until February, we're really eating and making meals from our food storage. And it's going good. I mean, we have food. And if the gist of that video was to see if it's truly giving us a 3 to 6 month supply of food to gauge, but it's been really hard. I should have kept track of all our meals. Oh, I didn't even think of that. Okay, from this point on, I'm gonna be very conscientious of writing down the meals that we've been having. I'm just trying to gauge how fast we're going through it all, what meals we make from it, which is always the same meals. So yeah, so I'll give an update in February and then what I plan to do from then forward. So all right, I am going to take some frozen ground beef out of the freezer for taco soup tonight. I was going to make a turkey orzo soup. Derek did smoke up a beautiful turkey last night. It was a turkey we needed to get out of our freezer. Callie gave it to us because she had no room at her house. She got a turkey free from work, and so we smoked it up last night, and that's what we had. We have leftovers, but I'm gonna make turkey soup with that tomorrow. I just don't have time today at all, so we'll do that tomorrow. So tonight it is taco soup, which I'm totally excited about because I just love taco soup. Okay, back to school with Shaylee. Okay, our school day ended about 15 minutes ago, and so we had a later school day today. We usually are done around 1, so just with everything else that I had earlier today, school got pushed longer. So she did great. She's all done, and now I'm gonna clean lots of things. So my mind is just not in it. Today is January 6th. So if you've been following American politics and know what January 6th is, my mind is just like blah, blah, blah. So yeah, so I'm just kind of like, what the ever-loving fart is going on? So I'm trying to get in a mindset to get this going. I think what I'm gonna do is put on some music and to get me going. Nothing to listen to. I need to turn my mind off. I usually will have a movie on playing in the background. I will have an audiobook, or I will have a podcast on, or a YouTube video going in the background. Now I'm done. I'm done listening to talking. I'm done. And I'm gonna put on some music and focus on my house and not what's going on outside my house, because that's a crazy shiz show that I just don't want to deal with right now. And I want to focus on my home and the love in my home and the peace that we bring to our home, and that's what I'm going to focus on. Sometimes you just have to tune the world out and focus on in your own home. Shaylee's watching TV. She's getting her screen time in, and I'm going to get this done. So what I have on the docket is this stuff here. This came out of this closet. Okay, so we have been working in here since after Christmas. Some things are gonna be put back in. Some things are gonna be taken to storage. So some of this is storage here. So we're working on this right now, and then we'll get everything back in here. So let's work on Monica's closet, shall we? This is what I call it from friends. This is Monica's closet. So I'm gonna work in here. All right, all done, all the bags we went through, and this is what the closet looks like for now. It's not perfect, but we can get in. It's amazing. So, and then the vacuum goes right here, but I have the vacuum out to vacuum. So now we are able to have a home for the vacuum. So, beautiful. I took a time out to make a video for you guys. I hope you saw it. It was posted last week. It was about food storage and emergency supplies for January to the end of the year, to share with you what you could focus on for those months on preparing yourself. So I hope you check that out and join me in that series. So, all right, I am gonna jump back into getting it done out there. You're back. Look how pretty you look. You look very pretty. You look beautiful. See, I don't do all the chores. I got one of the boys doing the dishes. All right, dinner is going. I just need to add some taco seasoning. So you'll need a taco seasoning packet. I just have a big thing of the granules, so I'll add it in. You'll need a can of corn, kidney beans, beef broth, black beans, and petite diced tomatoes. And in here I have a little can of tomato sauce. You dump it all in, no draining. Get it in after you brown up your ground beef with your onions and green peppers. And now I'm gonna add the taco seasoning, and I'm gonna let this simmer for a little bit, and we're good to eat. I'm gonna plate it. I'm gonna put it in a bowl with some shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream. I like chopped green onions on top with cilantro. Okay, so I want to track what I used in this recipe. So I'm seeing if I have anything on my list that I could just put a tally mark with. I need to create a master list. That's on my to-do list this month. And of course, when I do that, I will share it with you. I'm not seeing. Very weird. Oh well. Let's do kidney beans. 1 can And corn. I know there's beef broth here. I think there's a lot that we have not checked. So I need to make a master list. There's a lot of stuff not being written down, even by me. I'm forgetting. And that is dinner tonight.